Water makes up 80% of fresh mushrooms. However, water makes up only 20% of dried mushrooms. By what percentage does the mass of a fresh mushroom decrease during drying? So for this question, what I can do is, if I were to draw a mushroom, say this is a fresh mushroom, okay? So it's a fresh mushroom. And a dried mushroom, somewhat like this. Say that's a dried mushroom. So it will help us understand the situation better. So now assume that the weight of the fresh mushroom is X. Gram or anything, any unit of weight. So, and then 1 unit of mass. If I should not say weight, I should say mass, because weight would bring gravity in. So I should say the mass. That's more accurate. So the mass is X gram, and for the next one, the mass is equal to Y gram. Any unit of mass. So then what would happen is, I have to then work out the water, isn't it? The water. So the water would be, in a fresh mushroom, you'd have 0.8 gram of water. Okay, and the mushroom part, I just call it mushroom, mushroom part. Doesn't matter what I say. So the mushroom part would be water is 0.8x, sorry about that, is 0.8x, and the mushroom would be 0.2x. And in the dried mushroom, the water is 0.2y, and the mushroom part is 0.8y. Okay, y minus 0.2 is 0.8. Okay, so now you see what happens is, the mushroom part is actually the same weight or the same mass. Mushroom part does not change mass, stays the same. So therefore 0.2x equals 0.8y, x equals 0.8 divided by 0.2y, x equals 4y. So if I have x equals 4y, then all of these units would get rewritten. So, not units, the values I mean to say. So the mass of this would be, x is 4y, so this becomes 4y gram, and this becomes 0.8 times 4y, that is 8 times 4 is 32, 3.2y, and that is 0.2 times 4y, and that is 0.8y. Should write it properly. 0.8y. Okay, so now it's very easy, isn't it? What we have to do is, now we have to find the percentage decrease in the mass of the fresh mushroom. So we really didn't need to change the water part and the mushroom part, but well, I just did it. So all we have to do is to work out the percentage decrease. So we have to percentage decrease. That would be 4y, that was what it was before, it was heavier, minus y, and the whole thing out of y, okay, out of 4y, not out of y, out of 4y, the original was 4y, times 100, and that is 3y out of 4y times 100, and the y's get cancelled, 4 and 100 is 25, and we get 75%. So the answer is 75% or 75. It's already a percentage, so 75.